Hello guys, this is our video channel again, and today we're doing about making a fish aquarium, and we're gonna keep sticklebacks and wild catfish. Well, we think this one's a catfish, if you can see it very well, and I think there's another one there. The sticklebacks I think are hiding now, but we're also gonna boil leaves so they sink. That leaf is sunk, I think, because the algae's weighed it down, but boiling it for a short while I don't think will break the leaves. It will make them sink, and we're also, I think we're gonna put dirt at the bottom of the tank and then sand on top of that, and then gravel on the top of that.
By the way, that is not the tank we're using. We're using like a fish tank.
Okay. We'll be using this tank. It's about 2 feet long. Let's hope these do sink. I think that's maybe enough.
Who is this? Who is this? Huh. Oh, it's a phone. Welcome to my video channel. Actually, it's not your video channel.
We also could use this one. This used to be in our old fish tank aquarium. So and they can also go under it, so I think they'll like it. We'll use sand, and on top of that I think we might use some of these pebbles, hopefully. But we don't know how much we're gonna use yet. We've got our leaves now, and we just found a snail shell, and I don't know if it's alive, but we're now going to look for cool branches to put in, because right now we've only got the leaves, and you know we're gonna put some dirt or something in at the bottom. So yeah, we're just getting our twigs for the aquarium for the fish, just to make it look a bit more natural. This twig looks pretty cool, and I don't think it's living, so we maybe could use that. We maybe could use that one. It's a pretty windy day, and I think some of the leaves might have blown away, I think, because I think there's more. So we're gonna get a bit more leaves and boil them.
This is Aquarium beetle.
We just found him in a bucket.
So I hope you like us showing you all these insects.
I think they could be done, so we're maybe going to turn the hob off now. We're boiling sticks as well to put in. We've boiled the sticks, but they float, so when we put them in our aquarium, we're just going to wait until they sink. So stay tuned for part 2. Bye. See you in the next video.